everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve max sum path in two arrays. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given two sorted array of distinct integers, array 1 and 2, and each array may have some elements in common with other array. And you have to find the maximum sum of path from the beginning of any array to the end of the any array. And you can switch from one array to another array only at the common elements. And when we switch from one array to another array, then we need to consider the common element only once in the result. Okay. Now given example, given this is array 1 and this is array 2, and in this both array, this array 1 first element is 2 and array 2 first element is 1. Okay, so and array 2, this second element is 5. Okay, if we consider this element array to first, means zero index first element 1 plus 5, this 5 and this 7 is common in both array, so we'll also add this, and 10, this 10 and 12, so all are covered with common element, and common element will come only at once. So after sum of this value, it will be 35, and it will the output. And in secondary, given array 1 1 2 3 and array 2 2 3 4 5, and in this array you can see there is no any common element in both array, so in this array we will just sum all of the elements, and after sum all of the elements it will be 15. That's it. Now go to approach. Okay, let's say another example with illustration. And this is first example given 2, 3, 7, 10, 12. This is first array, and second array is 1, 5, 7, 8 value. And first we will initialize two pointer I and j, and I will traverse in first array array 1, and j will traverse in second array 2. And we again another initialize a variable sum1 and sum2, and result will store the sum. Okay, now first to initialize sum 1 and sum 2 to 0 and result to 0, initialize to 0 all are. Then in step 1, we'll check array 1 first element is 2. Array 1 first element is 2, and this 2 is greater than array 2 first element, is greater than first element. So our condition is array 1 greater than array 2, and now sum 2 plus array 2, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 1, and it will be initialized j plus 1 equals to 1. And in step 2, it will again traverse move to next index, and next index element array 1 value is 3, array 2 value is 5, but in array 2 value is greater than array 1, so in this case we will write down array 1 less than array 2, and we will sum 1 and array 1 that element, and 0 plus 2, that is 2, and I will increment I plus 1 1. Then in step 3, go to next element, and next element, and this one consider, this is array 1 element is less than array 2, so it will be sum plus array 1, this will be 5. And in step 4, it will be again traverse, both are same element, so we will increment it, and that's it. In this way we will traverse full array. Now what is the approach of this? Basically we solve this problem, initialize variable result sum 1 and sum 2, and result variable initialize to 0, and also initialize two variables sum 1 and 2 also 0. And after that we will create a loop which will traverse the elements in both arrays, and while we traverse the arrays, we will compare current elements of both array. We will compare both array current elements when traversing, and if current element of array 1 is smaller than current element of array 2, if current element in array 1 is smaller than array 2, then we'll update sum 1, and else current element of array 2 is smaller, then we'll update sum 2. And if the current element of array 1 and array 2 are both are same, both elements array value is same, then we take the maximum sum maximum of sum 1 and 2 and add to the result variable, and also we'll add the common element to the result. And after that, we will compare and matching two sorted arrays, and if the smallest element of two current array indices is proceed, then will guarantee that if there is any common element, it will be proceed together, so the sum of element between two common element can be proceed. Okay. Now, what is the time complexity of this? Time complexity will be O of m plus n, and in every iteration, when we use while loop, an element from either of the two arrays is proceed. So there are total number m plus n elements. So therefore, the time complexity will be a O of m plus n, and space complexity is O of 1. And because in this approach we will not use any extra space, so it is constant, so it will O of 1. Now go to code. In code, first we initialize the pointer I and j initialize to 0, and also some variable sum 1 and 2 initialize to 0, and max sum initialize to 0, and this max sum you can say return result variable, and I write down result variable name as max sum. It is stored our final result. So till maximum sum, then we traverse the both arrays. So for that we create a while loop, and our condition is if array 1 is less than array 2, if array 1 is element current element is less than array 2, then we will increment sum 1, and else array 1 is greater than array 2, then we will increment sum 2, and else it will be if both are same, then we will increment both with the common elements. And then after that we add the remaining elements in array 1. For array 1 we create another while loop, and first we check the length of the array, and we will add remaining elements in array 1, and again we will add the remaining elements of array 2. Both for both remaining elements in both arrays we will create two while loop, and after that we will update the maximum sum. Our maximum sum will update, and it will return the maximum sum. That's it. Now compile and run, and now submit. Okay, we solved today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve max sum path in two arrays. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given two sorted array of distinct integers, array 1 and 2, and each array may have some elements in common with other array. And you have to find the maximum sum of path from the beginning of any array to the end of the any array. And you can switch from one array to another array only at the common elements. And when we switch from one array to another array, then we need to consider the common element only once in the result. Okay. Now given example, given this is array 1 and this is array